Today we're going to do a Rhett Butler. This is apparently fine blended as well, so you can make it like a frozen cocktail. But I'm not going to do that because it sounds like more work, and I don't want to do it. So we're going to start off with 1 part of lemon juice. The next is 1 part lime juice, but I don't just have lime juice, so we're going to do a fresh lime. We're just going to do 1 whole fresh lime. That should be about 1 part. Oh yeah, I think this will be fine. There's more juice in this thing than I thought. Alright, very good. Then we have 1 part blue Curaçao. And I was looking into this recently. The small half of the jigger is exactly half of the large half. So what I'm going to do this time, and should have been doing every time, is just using the tall half. So it's 8 parts of this, but we're only going to do 4 shots from the tall part of the jigger. My wife is a strong woman. She opened this for me. It was stuck shut. So we got 1, 3, and 4. And again, it's only 4 because it's from the larger side of the jigger, so that saves a lot of time. Obviously gotta throw some ice in this thing. And, as always, shake them up. And you can also put this same combination of stuff into a blender and make us something. We're gonna try this out. Alright, very strange color. Not really pleasant to look at. It reminds me of another one that we called swamp water.
I was going to say swamp.
Right? So, we're going to try this as a Rhett Butler. That's why we look so dang fancy.
Oh, it's very good.
It's actually quite tasty.
It's very good.
Yeah! Rhett Butler can recommend this one. Southern Comfort makes surprisingly good drinks.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's already got a sweetness to it, so it's good for mixing. Never drink Southern Comfort straight up. That's my advice to you. Until next time, I can drink something or whatever.